we want the other one. But
we just stopped for a short chat about our planned route. Mary Lee just wanted to confirm which way to take. We're gonna keep heading along. This is a bit of a boring road, but anyway, it heads into an area where it'll get a bit more exciting for us, I hope. But still, though, I'm enjoying the ride along here. The smells and sights. Just the immersing yourself into the smell of everything as you're riding. It's just terrific. It's something else. Something else to be able to ride a motorbike in another country. Everything you see is new. I love it. I love it. I just want to keep going. This journey for us is, we do it every year, and I haven't filmed a lot of our trips, and this is the first time I've gotten involved with GoPros and drones, which I'll eventually learn to fly. I'm just learning. I'm learning on the go. I'm 65 years old. I've had some very serious health scares this year, and this trip for me is something to really puts a smile on my face. I really think that you're never too old to try something new, and I just love it. Just keeps me going. And without getting too deep, which is not me, I'm fairly reserved, so I don't talk a lot. But this is a new thing for me too, to be chatting and try and talk to you about the journey and talk to you about myself and something I've never done. So please support us. Support the channel. Subscribe. It costs you nothing to click the button. It'll really help us grow, and I just want to grow the channel so that it's worthwhile editing each week. I will be putting a video up once a week, and probably Friday. So Friday night after work. I do work full time when I'm back in Australia. I'm a tradesman, and I'm pretty busy. I do also practice the art of karate. I've been doing that for over 30 years, and I've achieved another DaanBantayan grading this year, so that's a milestone for me, because it was 15 years between this DaanBantayan grading and the last. There's a lot of water under the bridge since then, so I'd like to really say to you that it doesn't matter how old you are. If you can get up off the couch, go and do something. Go and experience something. I think I can confidently say now that when I'm not able to do anything, I can never say that I regretted not being able to do the things I wanted to do, because I've done a few things that will satisfy me. There's more things I'd like to do, a lot more on my bucket list, but if I only achieve portion of those, I'll be happy. Welcome to DaanBantayan. I think that's how you pronounce it. Welcome anyway. Some people have asked me, why don't you do an episode out of each day? Like, you know, from when you start, pick out all the good bits of the day, and then when you finish. I'd love to. I follow some YouTubers travelling around the world, and that's what they do for a job. It's their passion and their work. And they obviously earn an income from it, and they can afford to travel every day, and they can pick the high teeth out of a trip each day and do a 20-minute episode. I wish I could do that, but unfortunately our travels to the Philippines are limited, and I've got to obviously stretch the film out, the video footage that I've got, to last me till my next trip, apart from trips we do at home. The reason I started this channel is because I want to document my travels. I'd like my son and any other family members to be able to see what I did when I'm never around, when I'm gone. So it's really for me to document my life and some of the things I like to do. Also, it takes me about 5 hours a week to edit one episode, and then Thursday night I usually upload it from my editing program to the desktop, which transfers it from H.265 format to H.264 format, and I can then view it on Windows Media Player. And Fridays nights I upload it to YouTube from there. I used to upload it direct from the editing program, but I was having a bit of trouble with YouTube. It'd go a third of the way through, and then YouTube would suddenly say, can't be edited. So there was an issue there with the company that supplies my editing program, I think. But anyway, I found an easier way to do it, but it just takes an extra couple of hours to upload it to the desktop, and then another couple of hours to upload it to YouTube, because the files are pretty big, you know, especially when I've got the front camera working. Not so much on this video, but when the front camera's going, there's usually about, you know, anywhere between 25 to 30 gigabytes, up to 40 gigabytes an episode. So yeah, that's well, that's all I can say about that. Not much I can tell you, but more on that. But yeah, that's my process. But I'm sure there's other young ones that have got many streamlined ways to do it. I mean, they can do it. They can do things pretty quickly. But yeah, this is just how it works for me. And I can only edit it from my desktop at home. So all the files I calculate over the trips. At the end of each day, I download them to my laptop, and then that goes onto a hard drive, which I keep separate. And just so that'll be all drone footage, 2 cameras, handheld camera. So all of that goes and gets stored, and then the next day is fresh. And then the end of that day, I store all of that and charge all the batteries. And so yeah, there's a lot of work in it. It's not an easy thing. I'd hate to be travelling around the world like some people do and have, they have to try and upload their videos on the go because wherever they can find internet. Sometimes internet in the Philippines can be a bit dodgy. It's not as good as you would like. The big hotels obviously have got fast internet, but when you're out in the countryside, it's very limited. So, yeah, that's about all I can say there.